Hello, Cell Planner. How are you, man? I think you're fine. And it's very important time for you. And once again, I am back with some important content for you. And I request you to watch this video till the end to get some important information regarding the GATE to 2022 notification. Yes, my dear friend. This year, IIT Kharagpur is going to organize GATE 2022 examination for the people who are aspiring to get admissions into some premier institutes of like IITs, NITs, and so forth and so on, like center funded institutes. And also not only for the masters or some further studies, but also this exam has a lot of benefits. We'll discuss everything like starting from basic to advanced level. Like our definition is same, basic to advanced. Likewise, in this notification also we'll see each and every perspective, each and every point that is very important for the applicant who are going to apply for this examination. So without any delay, let us start. Okay, before starting, today we'll see this is our agenda. Okay, so you can see the slide. This is our agenda. Today in this video, we are going to discuss a lot of things like why we need to appear for the GATE 2022 examination, and what are the benefits we are going to get. I think majority of you know about this, but also I am going to give us some short insights or insights of this benefits of GATE. Then after we'll discuss about the eligibility criteria and who are eligible, whether third years are eligible or not. So what are the certificates we are need to upload while you are applying for the you are filling the form of this GATE 2022, and what are the this year what are the major changes compared to the previous year GATE papers, and whether some what are the combinational papers that some individual branch student can give. And we are also going to be discuss about what is the fees for individual paper and what is the fees for the combination of two or three papers, and whether there is we are going to see about the reservations of a different category of people, and we are going to speak about a lot of other things, other stuff, like what is the requirements, and at last there is some surprise for you. As I already said, this video is going to be some surprise for you, so I am going to reveal my surprise also. So without any delay, let us start. Coming to the organizing committee for GATE examination, each not only this year there is some committee from each and every IIT. Like you can see here, you can see that this IISc Bangalore, IIT Kharagpur, these are all the organizing committees. Okay, na? Each and every year, one IIT after another will organize this GATE paper. First thing is this. Coming to the brief advantages of GATE examination, one thing is you can pursue your MTech in some premier institutes like IITs, NITs. Second thing is not only in India but also some premier institutes or top research oriented institutes like NTNU in Singapore, the National NTU in Taiwan, and also TU Munich and RTWH Berlin in Germany. Sorry, Berlin, not in Germany. All these universities take admissions on behalf of the GATE. Means not only particularly GATE, but this is very useful to showcase that you are technically very perfect and you are going to be technically a stufful candidate. Okay. The second thing is the golden opportunities. Nowadays, you can go for a direct PhD with some good stipend. Okay, and a lot of more advantages. Okay, we'll see later a lot. Coming to a brief introduction, this year the GATE paper is going to be organized by the IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur. First important thing is this year IIT Kharagpur, IIT K Kharagpur is organizing the GATE. Second thing is this year the important major things are like this. Who are eligible means coming to eligibility. This year is IIT Kharagpur is going to organize. You can see this organizing committee is IIT Kharagpur, and all the third year candidates and who are already graduated can appear for this exam. A very important thing is there is no age limit for this examination, and not only there is age limit, but there is no limit for number of attempts also. You can give n number of attempts also, means up to your age you can give a gate exam. This is the best thing in this gate examination. Okay, coming to papers, this year IIT Kharagpur is going to be organized the papers in 20, totally some 29 streams. Okay na, out of which we circuit branches are like this: EC, double E papers, and IN. So these are papers. EC stands for electronics and communication, and so double E stands for electrical engineering stream, IN stands for instrumentation engineering streams. So these are the circuit branches. And this year, not only the good thing is that this year IIT Kharagpur introduced two new papers. One is one is the geometric engineering. So what are the two new papers means? One is this geometric engineering, other one is marine engineering. So naval and marine engineering, these two are the two new papers. So these two are the some two new papers introduced this year. Okay, so what are the important dates? So coming to important dates, when will be the exam means, IIT Kharagpur has given some tentative dates, means not sure about that. The date may can change because of the COVID-19 situation. So, but possible date is first week of February and second week of February, every Saturday, Sunday. Means like this. You can see that 5th February and 6th February, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. First week and second week of February, gate papers are going to be conducted across all this. And coming, you can, if you are from EC branch now, you can give paper in some other. You can choose EC as your primary paper, and you can choose other branches also. Like for EC people, the combinations are like so EC people, the combinations are like IN you can give, and double E you can give paper, and also EC, IN, double E, and in physics also you can able to give, and you can also eligible to appear for geometric engineering. Geometric engineering, that is newly introduced. This physics totally EC people can appear for different papers like triple E paper. You can, if you wish, secondary paper, and instrumentation paper also you are going to can appear, and some physics paper you can also appear. You can appear for the geometric engineering paper, which is newly introduced this year. Okay. Coming to the main important dates. Okay, my dear friends, this is very important for you to note the dates. Dates are very important. So coming to the dates, here you can see that coming to the dates, the first registrations are going to be start from Monday. Monday of, means last of this month, 30 August, and last date to apply is 24 September. From 24 September onwards, your registration is going to be closed. Online registrations are going to be closed, and some with some late fee, some fine 500 like that, you can able to apply up to 1st August, October also. And finally the exam is going to be on some first week of February and second week of February, based upon the paper you opted. And finally the results are going to be announced on the 17th. Okay, coming to this, these are the important dates. Paper, the last date, paper admission, sorry, paper is going to be, online registrations are going to be started. In coming to the important dates, online registration is going to be started on 30 August. Okay, and 24 September means it's a last date for end of your exam, means online registrations. And October 1st is a extended date, means you can pay, you can register for the gate examination with some fee. Okay, late fee. And results examination is going to be on first or second week of February, and results are going to be announced on March 17. Okay, so fee. Sir, fees, very important thing. Suppose you are from this category, means you are from any reservation category, means SC, STs, and you are physically handicapped. Then your fees is going to be 750 per paper. Or you are a female candidate also. Then your paper is going to be 750 per a pay subject. You can appear for two subjects this year. Okay, if you want to appear for another paper, you will be extra charged for another 750 if you are a female or SC, or PWD candidate. Suppose you are a male and general category candidate, then you need to pay around some 1500 rupees. So, and 1500 rupees. So 1500 rupees per subject. Okay, 1500 rupees per subject. Suppose if you are from a EC and you want to appear for triple E paper, sorry, double E paper, or instrumentation paper, or physics paper, then you need to pay another 1500. Only single application is enough. You need no need to apply another, you need no need to register another time. Single application is enough. In this, you need to opt as primary paper has a your electronics and communication EC, and secondary paper is from the combinations like instrumentation, double E paper, or physics paper, or geometric paper. Any you can take one, and you need to pay another 1500 extra. Means totally 3000 for the two papers, right? So I hope. So this is the pattern of examination is going to be. Pattern is that totally for 100 marks the paper is going to be in this 100 marks now 15 marks are for GA, okay, means general aptitude. Remaining 85 marks are going to be subject papers. In subject papers, okay, in the subject papers I included max also. So generally max will come for 13 marks. You need to eliminate, so 13 marks in totally I think 72 marks for only core subject. Okay now, so total 100 marks. In this 100 marks, 15 marks is for general aptitude, and 12 marks or 15 marks are from mathematics, and remaining 72 to 75 marks are for the technical core subjects. Okay, for every branch almost all this is common. Questions, okay na? So first type of questions are like NATs, okay na? MCQs. Okay, second type of questions are MCQs. Okay, third type of questions are MSQs. Okay, NATs. So one important thing is there is no negative marks, and here also no negative marks for multiple select questions, and numerically answer type questions there is no negative marks, and here there is a negative mark. Okay, negative mark is there, negative marking is there for MCQs. For MCQs there are negative marks, and for NAT and MSQ there is no negative marking. Okay, this you need to know. So what is NATs are? NAT is nothing but like a filling the blanks you answered in your school. There is no options are given, only you need to write answer directly in the blank. Okay, means in the blank which will appear on your computer based CBT, computer based test. And MSQ stands for they will use some options for the questions, and there is not only a single answer. Means in options there are two or three options that are matched to the question. You can see here example. What are you can example given by this IIT? IIT, uh, that is you can see here. So MCQs, this is means they will use simply a question, and for the question there will be a some options, and only one option is correct, and you need to opt that option. And coming to the MSQ, four options means some options will be given, and in this option answer is more than one. You need to opt all these option right answers, then only full marks will be given, otherwise no partial marks will be given for you. And coming to the numerical negative marking for the MCQ, there is a negative marking for wrong answer. You will be eliminate 1/3 and 2/3 for the 2 marks question. And you can see all this. I will share the PDF with you. Okay, now coming to this. And coming to the syllabus of this gate 2022. So what is the syllabus is going to look like, we have briefly we will see. So this is the general aptitude content or syllabus they mentioned in this website. Verbal aptitude will be there, quant will be there, analytical aptitude and spatial aptitude. All the topics of the aptitudes are there, from reasoning, but I will say what are the important topics later. So this is the content. Okay, you can see in the browser also, I will share. Coming to the core syllabus of ECE, they mentioned that the first section will be like this: engineering mathematics. In this is the syllabus. You have different type of topics, starting from calculus, differential equations. You have linear algebra, probability, random variables, both in discrete and continuous domains, and you have vector calculus also. Okay, in signals and networks you have different topics, starting from basic nodal analysis to the or two port networks. Similarly here also, from signals you will have different topics, basics of signals to the DFT FFT also you will have by using Laplace transforms, Z transform, Fourier transform, Fourier series. All these topics are will be included. You can read this all thing. Okay na, this is briefly subjects. Okay na, signals will be there, signals will be there. Analog circuits also, these are no more changes. There is no more changes. There is no more changes. In electronic devices, third section and fourth section is analog circuit, fifth section is digital circuit, and similarly you will have remaining subjects also. Remaining subjects will be like this. You have communication, you have control systems and communication, electromagnetics. So these are the syllabus, core syllabus. Okay na, so core syllabus is this. Okay, how many, coming to the time and strategy? So coming to the gate strategy, remember my friends, from now onwards, coming to the now onwards, they are still they are still they are still 5 months left, and 25 weeks are left, 181 days are left, 4300 hours are left. Do you know that there is a one common thing, that is 1000 hours of hard work, 1000 hours of hard works is equal to less than 1000 rank. Yes, my dear friends, you read the strategies of the toppers and you read the strategies of the people who started from very basic and achieved some top ranks. They all will say that thousands hours, if you give you 1000 hour of preparation, then your rank will be going to be less than 1000. So 5 months, 1000 hours is very simple, guys. In 4000, see here how many hours are left? 4000 hour last left means one fourth, means nearly 25 or less than 25% efficiency per day, means 8 hours, means 24 hours are there now every day. Every day if you are giving a less than 25% of 24 hours, means what, means less than 8 hours. If you are able to categorize or give from now onwards, then definitely your rank is going to be less than 1000, my dear friends. So all coming to the, okay na, this is the strategy. I will explain you a strategy very clear in my next videos. Okay, because I think this video is going to be too long, but for you, okay. Very important announcement, as I already said you. The important announcement is to help you, my dear friends, to help all you self-learners. Believe me that I want to say before going to my surprise, or I want to say that your habits are going to be define your character, and your character is ultimately going to decide your destiny. Suppose now you are feeling like that, I am not able to crack this examination and I don't have a large abilities to crack this examination, then I would say ki, you need to change your attitude. Then I would feel that ki, you need to change your attitude, and I would suggest that from now onwards, be in a manner that, or be try to develop a thought process like that, ki you are going to be a ranker, and for that it's very simple, you need to be a smart enough. So to help your preparation, what I am going to do is, I am going to start my classes, I am going to start my classes I'm going to start my classes, that is analog electronics, from tomorrow onwards, analog circuits, and second is network theory. So these two subjects are going to be started circuits. So these two subjects are network circuits, circuit theory or network theory. Okay, network theory. So network theory is going to be start. I'm going to start this network theory. Okay, na? In this we are going to discuss a lot of concepts. In my next video, I will detailedly give a study plan of these individual subjects. How to read, what are the standard textbooks. So don't forget to share and subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon for getting a more notification. I hope so you enjoyed this section. Though this section is becoming very long, but I want to give a deep insights of GATE 2022 notification. That's why this I prolonged this video. And in my upcoming video, as I already said to you, I will share a complete study plan of analog circuits, how I am going to design the syllabus, and what up to what concepts I am going to cover, and from which standard books I am going to cover these subjects, and coming to what are the other video reference if you want to study from very other sites and standard people these subjects. So everything is going to be covered in these videos. So please share, share, press bell icon, share, like, and subscribe it.